I am in Singapore and I just wanted to come to some local markets, not the fancy malls. I wanted to try and find the local markets, some local food, some shops, and of course I have brought you with me. So come join in the fun. All the fruit looks amazing, but I am specifically very fond of passion fruit, and they look so different from the ones we get in the UK. So I am, look at that, it's so fresh, and I'm just going to try some. So juicy, wow. And sour, but not completely sour. It's just got a very little sweetness. I can't believe how good this is. God, the food here is amazing. I've tried the lemon chicken rice with some soy sauce veg, and I've had some rice with fish, and now I'm trying these like pancake style made with flour. They are like little pancake sandwich, and they've got sweet grated coconut in it, and I've also got one here with peanuts in it, and it's not it's sweet, but it's not too sweet, and it is delicious. And I've not had anything like this before. Can I have one bite? So this is coffee, and it is really dark coffee. You just saw how she was making it, and I have no idea what she was putting in it, but it is so good. It's sweet, but it is strong, and I might not need another cup of coffee till tomorrow now. So love the Tiang Bahru markets. The food was fantastic, the coffee was amazing, and now I'm at a pastry shop which a friend has highly recommended because their stuff is amazing. So I'm going to take you in. Box of cute treasure, all different flavors and varieties. I have to say that shop is pretty amazing. The variety in there, it was really difficult to boil down to just these few options. I cannot wait to taste them. Right, it's really hot, but I have made it to Chinatown because of course I have to try some food here as well. I've got some fresh coconut water and I'm going to try some veg dumplings. And that is a shaved ice dessert which looks pretty colorful right now. And that, my friends, was a delicious little trip to Tiang Bahru and Chinatown. And I'm full and stuffed. I'm going to have a little sit down. So I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.